What's going on, world? Coming back with you again with another video. Opportunity is calling. This is one of my many group pages I created a long time ago. As you can see here, on March 27th, 2023, this is one of my group pages that I created for all the entrepreneurs out there. They are promoting their links. There's a lot of links that I help people they can promote here as well to get look to the opportunity and get more views and more likes on the opportunity or potential prospects or potential sales. I'm here to help. I'm on here too. This is my group page that I created for everyone. We need to support everybody. We need to support each other. Whatever you're promoting, take a look at the opportunity. Pick your sponsor. We have a lot of sponsors on this opportunity is calling. Multiple stream of opportunity, multiple stream of income opportunity is on this opportunity is calling group. Yes. You have to support each other, everybody. Non-members that don't have no business. We have a lot of sponsors for you. A lot of sponsors for you. Pick your sponsor, join them, and they'll help you whatever you're looking for. They'll talk to you on the phone. They'll message you. Just give them time to get back with you, what questions you may have. I'm one of the sponsors on working from home-based business, postcard, TV app, and so forth and so on. As you can see here, we got sponsors. We're not playing with nobody. We got sponsors. We're looking for like-minded like us, how we think, who want to do business with us. We're not here for play. We're not playing with no one. We are broke. We are looking for financial freedom. Non-business owner out there. We are looking for financial freedom. How long you will be working for your own job that your job will be obsolete soon. Your hours will be depreciated pretty soon. So what are you going to do if you don't get no more 40 hours? What you going to do if you don't get no 50 hours? What you going to do when you don't get 60 to 100 hours and your hours is cut all the way down to 20 hours? That is part-time status. Non-business owner out there, what are you going to do? That is the big question here. Why are you waiting for to have your hours be cut all the way to half? That ain't no money. Working part-time for this corporation is no money. For real. I'm being honest with y'all. Non-business owner out there, why do you want to wait for your job to cut your hours for you? Why do you want to wait for that? Yeah. So, this is me right here. I'm not going to play this video. I'm just scrolling through. On this day, March 27, 2023. On this day, this is me. Like this title said, think just like me. Where are you at? Think just like me. Your hours going to be cut back soon. Or you're going to get laid off soon. What are you going to do now, business owners? Real talk. What are you going to do when your hours is cut back? This is no funny matters no more. You know? I am an advanced digital creator. I talk to the people. I make videos to the people. I speak to the people to check their mindset. Where are their mindset at? What are you going to do to be a business owner on your own terms, not on somebody else's terms? What are you going to get your own business, not on your terms, not on your corporation terms? That is the questions today, non-business owner out there. multiple stream of income that you can promote your link on my group page like you see here. I am with Live Good as well. I am with ActiveView as well. ActiveView is an app that you get paid while you watch your favorite shows after you get home from work, when you take your shower and get comfortable and cook your nice little meal and cut your TV on and go to your app called ActiveView. ActiveView TV. You get paid while you watch TV, telling others about how wonderful this app is. ActiveView TV for only $39.95 a month. Find 10, pay no more. Or find 4, pay no more. Find 6, pay no more. In them orders about ActiveView TV. Cash building system. Cash building system unlimited. Postcard business. $50 to get started. You get 200 leads, 200 postcards in your kit in the mailbox. As soon as you pay your $50, the owner, JD Marketing, will send you your kit to get you started. This is Cash Building System Unlimited. 24K Madness as well. Postcard business. You pay the people that's on the postcard. If it's 3 or 2 or whatever, pay them. The owner of 24K Madness will send you a kit in the mail to get you started. And go from there. Matrix Pro Lead. You can get leads from Matrix Pro Lead as well. Dollar Stuffer. You can gain access to your prospect leads for $1. All you gotta do is go to the unlimited dollar opportunity on this page, on this group page, as you see here. Unlimited dollar stuffer can put unlimited dollar bills in your mailbox, and you get access to all your prospects leads, and you can use that lead to promote other opportunities from your new leads by you joining the Dollar Stuffer program. I'm in that too. Like here. And I got friends too as well. Got friends too get you more prospects as well. It's a website or landing page that you refer others to look at the opportunity, the 6-minute video, the 10-minute video, it doesn't matter. Sign up, and you are good to go. Right now, they are ready to put together the We Got Friends opportunity. It was for free, pre-launch last month. Now you're going to be paying $69 a month to come aboard, instead of coming for free and start getting your access to your prospects. I'm in that too. I'm in Matrix Pro Lead as well too. It's a lead source, and you get postcard as well. Printerfinders.com. You can get your access to your printers, your favorite opportunity, CBSU, 500 fast, 500. What's the other one? A lot of stuff. You get access to that. Yeah, this is Matrix Pro Lead that you can get access to leads. There's so much more and so forth and so on. And you can get access how to get some postcard for very cheap. Go from there. Mailbox Benjamin. I'm in Mailbox Benjamin as well. So this is my platform that I created in my own image to have other entrepreneurs, they can put their links here and get access, give eyeballs to their opportunity, even likes, views, and go from there. It's working. They're getting views already. See, post reach 20. They're getting links right here. Go from there. So this is me right here. This is me as well. I mean, it don't take no rocket scientist to come aboard to do something. This is my dollar stuffer program. Mailbox Benjamin, this is me as well. So there's a lot of sponsors, there's a lot of opportunities on my multiple stream of income that you can come in aboard and build your business. It's a lot. I mean, there's more to life. And there's my postcard business right here. I'm gonna stop right here and come back with you again with another video. Thank you.